Hey guys, welcome to the another new episode of Canva Unstuck series by Swam, where you will ask amazing question. I will definitely answer inside the Canva. So let's start this amazing series. Do it. Okay, so first question we have selling templates on Gumroad. Yeah, you can definitely sell amazing Canva templates. You can make your own and sell it on the Gumroad or any platform you like, ST, Creative Market. But nowadays, currently Canva's template selling market is got saturated. Everyone is selling. So you need to crack any particular niche by solving any particular user's pain or any particular coach. Suppose if you are creating a content calendar, sell them to the social media manager or the content head. So you can give it a try and create, but I will recommend you to market your template by using Pinterest, and you can also create your own content. So these are the amazing things you can try and sell your templates. But for selling the template, Gumroad is a good platform. So you can set up your profile, and if you want me to create a separate video about how you can set up your store on Gumroad and sell your Canva templates, so I will definitely create a video. Just comment Canva plus Gumroad or something like that. I'll definitely create a video. So that's it. Another question we have: how do separate audio from the video in Canva, like split audio feature? So let me show you how you can do. All you have to do is just go into the Canva and open any video project, add your video like this. So in this video I have the soundtrack, so I can just select this and you will see there is an extract audio. Just right click on it and you will see this extract audio. Just click on it and you will see my audio is extracted. So in this way, you can just extract any of the audio which is available inside your video. You can extract it in one single click. Okay, so when people are asking how do I get Canva Pro for free? So I have answered this question a couple of times, but if you want to get the Canva Pro for free, so I have already created a video about how to you get the Canva Pro for free. There is a legit way I have mentioned, so you can watch the video. If you are a student or a non-profit organization, if you are working in, you will definitely eligible for to get the Canva Pro for free. But don't follow any kind of scams which is going on the market. So avoid those scams. They will give you the Canva Pro in the cheaper rate, but it is not. But if you want the 30-day trial, so you can just check out the description where you will get the 30-day free pro trial. So you can just get it and try it. If you want to continue, then you need to pay it. If you don't want, just cancel it. So in this way you will get the Canva Pro for free. Another question is, does anyone know how to make this type of font combos in Canva? Yeah, you can definitely make this amazing stuff on Canva. So all you have to do is just go into the styles and here you will see the font set. So you can utilize any one of them which suits with your need. You can just click on it and it will automatically add it into your artboard. So you can utilize it and create amazing stuff what you want to create, greetings, postcard and anything, business card also. So do things by using the font set available in the styles. These are the questions we took this week, or if you have any other questions you can drop in the comment. I will definitely create a video about it. So till then, take care of yourself and bye bye. See you to the next amazing stuff. Bye.